Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling a product that promises to light up your life all year round.
Or leave your house.
Right, your house. It's called Applights Permanent Lights. It's an app-controlled LED system for your home's exterior. Our mission for this deep dive is pretty simple. Is this thing actually legit? Is it trustworthy?
And what's fascinating here is that it's a perfect example of a modern smart home product. You've got the hardware, you've got the software. So for you, the question becomes, how do you even verify reliability?
Okay, so let's start there. With those foundational trust signals, before you even open the box, what did our sources say that might give someone confidence?
Well, there are two really big ones. First, you can buy it at major retailers like Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
And that means it's already passed some pretty serious quality control checks just to get on the shelf.
Sure, they don't want returns.
Exactly. And second, the app you use to control it is on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.
Which is a huge deal. Those platforms have really strict approval rules, so you know the software is at the very least safe and technically sound.
Right. It's been vetted.
So that's a strong baseline.
Yeah.
Now, what about practicality? Because a product can be trustworthy but still impossible to use. The sources claim setup is easy.
And they actually back that up. There's a proper instructional video, which is a great touch for anyone who's, not super comfortable with this kind of install.
The kit itself, what are you actually getting?
It's surprisingly complete. The whole idea seems to be everything in one box. You get, I think, 72 of the LED bulbs, 74 of the little Christmas bulb covers.
Oh, so you can switch up the look.
Yeah. And all the screws and clips you need for about 100 feet of coverage. Basically, you just need to bring your own drill or screwdriver.
Okay, so they've made it as foolproof as possible, but here's the moment of truth, right? The performance. What happens when it meets a real person's Wi-Fi, their real phone?
This is where we see a huge split.
Hmm.
The reactions in the sources range from, perfect to a complete bust.
Let's start with the good news. Tell me about the perfect scenario.
Okay, so on the positive end, we saw feedback from one customer who absolutely loved it. They said the colors were great, the app was super smooth, the timer was spot on, and most importantly, it worked way better than some other Wi-Fi lights they'd used in the past.
So the dream scenario, it just works.
It just works.
Now, tell me about the nightmare. What's on the other side of that coin?
Well, on the flip side, another customer reported a critical failure right at the most important step.
The connection.
The connection. The app downloaded just fine, but the lights would not connect to their phone's Bluetooth at all.
Ooh, which means the entire system is just plastic on your wall. You can't control it.
Exactly. It's effectively useless.
So that variance is the real challenge here. You have Walmart and the app stores giving it a thumbs up, but then you have this Bluetooth lottery.
It really is.
Yeah.
And it brings up a great point about smart home tech in general. The product is clearly vetted. It's an authentic system. But that connection issue shows that ultimate reliability, it doesn't just depend on the product. It depends on how it interacts with your tech in your home.
So the final takeaway for you listening is that Applights Permanent seems to have checked all the right boxes. It's a legitimate, safely designed system.
Okay.
But like any piece of smart decor, there is that inherent risk, that one little connectivity glitch that could trip up the whole thing.
And that really leaves you with an important question to think about, not just for this product, but for any smart device you bring into your home. If something meets every single quality check, but then fails at that final crucial step, the connection is the responsibility on the product. Or is it on the user's own, messy, complicated tech ecosystem?
Something to mull over as you shop for that perfect year-round glow.